guys, welcome back to my channel, Dan Dam. And before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and like to this video. And today I am going to be riding this again for another exciting video. But guys, I'm going to have to do a part 1 and part 2 because this video is going to be part 1. And my next, my part 2 is going to be the room tour. And guys, remember this? We had to ride. And so guys, we're riding again. I'm so excited. I have to put you guys down there for a second so I can turn around. Okay, it's going a little slow. Ah! Mama, I'm gonna do a part 2 and this one. Okay guys, I do not want my phone to fall off. Like, literally. You guys can feel it up, like, almost. But guys, now, close my thing up. And you guys, get ready. We're about to ride. And my brother, he is not on his thing. So that is a good, watch out! We're not going that fast right now, but it's going to speed up. And that's what we did. Jay, you want to ride this? Okay, I'll put that down there for just a second. Woo! Okay. That was a little bit scary for my phone, but yeah. Stop sign. Boop. Guys, remember this? Oh! Guys, Max is on the loose. Max, he was on the loose. That was funny. Yeah, I think I might go take this back. That's why it's going to go. Yeah, I have to charge it up! Right. I don't think this thing's taking it. I just don't know what to do. Everybody's walking and I thought I would not walk today, but guess what? I have to go. Oh! Okay guys, I have to walk in. Okay, I have to turn it off. Okay, now we have to put it on the stand. Okay, I gotta sit that right there. Okay guys, we have to put this on the stand. So guys, we did it. We put it on the stand. And guys, we're just gonna leave it right there. Bye, Blue Beauty. But now we're just gonna run then. We're just gonna do a little bit of run. And this is gonna be our exercise for today. It's gonna be really fun. But you guys have to follow my exercise if you want to see my room tour. And this at least has to get to 1,000 likes for me to do another exercising video. I just thought about that, like at least 1,000 likes. If you're liking me doing these, I at least need 1,000 likes for another exercising video. I'm trying to catch up with them. Mama, do you think I should stop walking so fast? For real, stop! Ma, how many likes do you think this video should get? 2 for me to do another exercise. I think 1,000.
200,000.
Oh, y'all heard that, guys? Okay.
Well, we go down the trail and it start raining.
Oh well.
Don't say that because you're going to start one right now.
I'm gonna take out running. Leave Nuke out there, them rabbits.
I'm gonna leave both of y'all. I'm gonna be.
They're gonna be trying to roll.
Well, you know you cannot
Gonna
run in
roll
no
the
dress.
ditch. Ooh, it's plenty of room in this thing. This dress.
See y'all later. I'm just gonna get cut your wish come like, oh, where y'all gonna be messed up?
We're gonna be in the ditch.
Eh? Ma, why don't we go down that trail?
I want my daddy.
What? What did you just say? What did you say?
I found it. I don't know my daddy. Call my daddy. Oh, no, man, throw up my mouth. You not my dad. You just what you call a friend? Yeah, friend.
Don't mind the noise in the background. Like, I'm just trying to let you guys hear all the peaceful things and see all the peaceful things. There's my dog. They're up there. And my auntie's right there. We have houses. These houses are so cute and beautiful. Not the trash can. The trash can's not a house. But these houses are so cute. There's one right there. And these like, oh, there's one with some signs up in it. I'm gonna show you guys right now. This is so cute.
What that is?
It says Happy Remitment. I don't know. Guys, tell me what this says. Comment down below if you know what this means. Happy Remitment Choo Choo. I have no idea what that means. Okay, so there's one of another house. It's really, really, like, there's another one. There's one right there. So cool. I think they're getting stuff worked on because that van's been there for so long. Like, every day. And there's one. It's kind of tiny. Our house is right there. Like, right there. And we used to walk right there down that path right there. Down there to the house and stuff. And there's one another. I already showed you the house. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys when I get my hair done because it's gonna be so cute. But of course, you want to see my room tour, and I'm getting my hair done because I'm gonna be filming a lot on my YouTube channel when we go. Wait, what are they doing?
Not mine. Watch it.
Okay, guys, we're going across this way. We have never been this way before. I think this is a trail. Mom, where are we going? Huh? Wait, this is a trail? We're going on a trail, Jay. Oh, no. My baby little house is like down there, past right there, and right there. Oh, crap. Guys, we're going on a trail. This is going to be so cool. Guys, trust me, if any snakes come out, I'm running. Look, Jay, any snakes come out, I'm running. I'm going to run straight to Baby Low house. That's the closest house I know over here. My house, like right there. Right there. Not the big house. The one beside it. Well, if you see, oh crap. Guys, I'm so scared right now. I literally, every time I'm around nature or when I see bugs or something, I really get like, I get itchy and stuff because I feel like they're all over me. But right now we're walking down this trail. I know you guys, it's not focusing well, but because I'm walking really fast, kind of. She's back there with my dog. I'm trying to get it to focus. Like, no, I'm not gonna turn it like that. Okay, guys, these branches. If there's berries out here, hey guys, if you see berries on a tree or a branch or something, and you don't know where it came from, do not eat them, because they could be poisonous. Huh? I'm trying to walk. This is our exercise for the day, guys. Huh? She got a trampoline, like a little trampoline in the back. Like it's right, her trampoline. Guys, remember, this is our exercise today. We're not going to do any more exercises for today. But, okay. Guys, God, dog, man. Guys, this is our exercise. If you have like, huh?
What's down there?
What? A tie. You get me scared, Ma. I'ma scream. Ma. This is their exercise. Ooh. Guys, they have a dog and a pool. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. They got three of them.
They everywhere.
God, dog, man. Let's see next. Ma, I want a pool. Ma, I want a pool. Ma, we could probably ask them, can we trade houses? They'll probably trade houses with us, right? Give us the pool. I'm joking, guys. Oh, we going back in there? Ma, we going back in there?
Which way we going? Left, right.
Hold on. They go lead to the street. We go this way.
Which way y'all would go?
We go this way.
It's a nature trail. That's where you wanted to go?
No, I didn't.
Okay, guys. We're walking down the nature trail. And I am so scared.
I said
I'm so
walk,
scared.
not go.
Oh, well, we already down here now. Don't say that. I don't need no berries popping out at me. Man, I'm running. They probably run out. Yeah, pick up Max now.
Oh, books for y'all.
What? 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 Oh, no. Oh, no, man. Oh, no, man. Mom, it might be just a big circle. It might lead back to our neighborhood. How we get out of here again? Uh-oh.
Luke gonna get dumped out.
Nuka, you got your phone, right? Make sure your phone's charged. Huh? Huh? Oh, it smell like nature.
Get dog down through that way.
Uh-oh. Guys, if you find a trail by your house, walk down it. That'll be your exercise.
Where you going? Don't smile. No, I'm saying you don't out. Why you running?
He getting big down through here.
Golly.
Big and dog.
Oh, no.
What's down under?
Oh, no. I'm about to run. No. Don't leave me. Y'all don't leave me.
Somebody house right there.
Don't wake up nature now. What? Ma, how we get out of here?
Back the way we came.
No. I heard noises.
Bird.
Oh. I'm going straight through there.
Go full speed.
Okay, ready? Ready? Mom, go. Yeah, dog, one of your wheels gonna pop off. God, dog, man. My hair itchy. We probably ain't gonna make it to Miss T party. We probably gonna all be too tired. Oh yeah, I'm going to my cousin's party tomorrow.
How long is this now? Oh, Duke on the trail.
It's Bob.
Wait,
Y'all ready to turn around?
no.
See,
I'm thinking dog in a minute.
I don't know.
Ma, it's still light outside, man.
Oh, no.
Look at it, really? You the one who wanted to go on the trail. When I get tired of walking, that's when I'm going to want to turn back. I'm not tired of walking yet, guys.
Who put the trail through here?
I don't know. We should have walked the trail by the walk by. Oh,
Oh, somebody back there.
Woo. I'm not gonna film their face. I'm sure they know. Guys, I have to cover up the camera for a second. What's that noise? I just heard a.
Wheelchair.
No, I just heard a.
That was a chair. Hey,
Oh.
how you doing?
Okay. I had to cover up because I didn't want to show anybody. You know, I actually do here. God, dog, he scared me. Oh, he scared me. Golly.
How you doing?
These people scare me, Ma. Well, now we know.
Now you don't want to
I'm about to say. Now we know we seen two people on the trail. They're walking back, though. Oh, doo-doo. Oh, y'all just ran over some doo-doo. Now, how long is this trail?
My first time through here, Dion.
I don't think Miss Alice even went through the whole thing.
Water.
Guys, water. Ooh, our shoes gonna be muddy.
How far this thing go?
Luckily, I already had some dirty shoes on, so. God, oh man. I'm gonna jump over that fence if I see anything. What? No, shh.
That noogie. Stop!
He's trying to attract them.
Oh.
Guys, he's trying to attract the S word.
Oh, my goodness.
Then why did you holding on to my
Because I'm scared.
I can fall.
That trail must be long.
Where is cars on the trail?
Look at those trees.
What is that noise?
Noogie.
That's not me, y'all. Oh.
I don't want to
Get
drop
the
my
wheels. I just told you get them wheels.
I'm scared, y'all.
Dion,
Let's turn back. No. Let's turn back. What's that noise?
Noogie.
I'm going to get out this side of this chair.
Y'all better quit. We're going to be stuck in this joint in the dog.
Forever. And we won't.
I'm trying to get out of here. Gonna be
What's
nighttime.
that noise?
Stop.
Stop.
Are we out? Are we out?
Neighborhood. We in some neighborhood.
We're in the same neighborhood we've been in.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. The sun showed over here, though.
The baby little trampoline?
No, baby, I got like a.
We is in the same neighborhood, ain't it? No, we're
I
not.
don't know what neighborhood we in.
God,
We in
guys.
Stone Grove?
Yeah, I'm sure we can Stone Grove. Because if we were in this, the trail ended.
Oh,
Now we just on somebody on the street.
we on the street now.
We in Stone Grove, but this is where one of my school people from
Okay,
my
we ain't going
school
on the other
is.
side.
What the other side?
We gotta go on cross.
Come on,
No, ma'am.
y'all, come on, Zombie.
What time is it? It'll be dark and then you're gonna have to walk back through here to get to the house.
Guys, y'all just have to wait for part 2. Like, you can walk down there and we'll be back in our neighborhood. I rode the school bus to her.
The IJ gonna get the heel for it.
Okay, guys, just wait
We
for
gonna get
part.
dumped over in the wheelchair.
Just,
and I don't believe
guys,
in them.
just wait for part 2.
I'm gonna flip them over in the grave. Leave me.
And part 2 will be my room tour. So bye.